Hello hobby gardeners, farmers and DIY lovers, your boy, I am Will, and today I'm going to show you, hopefully in a short video, how to grow your own onion without buying onion seeds. Now it's quite simple, so let's get to it. First, disposable cups, onion, some toothpicks, a knife. First, you cut your onion at the bottom. Make sure there is enough meat on your onion when you cut it. Take two of these and stick it down. Now don't worry if you think you're going to hurt the onion, you're not, but make sure you stick it down firmly. These ones, they're not wasted, so don't throw it away. And the next thing you want to do is fill the cups up with water. There you go. And finally, you suspend your onion on the disposable cup. So make sure that the top level is dried and free of any water. Make sure to keep it away from the window if it's too cold, but keep it in a place where there is enough sunlight for the germination to take place, and wait for it to start germinating. So 2 weeks have passed and you should have something like this, and this is what your results should look like. So you can see the nice long white root. Now what you should also be aware of is, as your onion is germinating, the water will be running low, so you need to frequently fill it up. And look at that, it's massive, isn't it? It's beautiful white long roots. So two weeks later you should have something like this, and I think when you have something like this, it's ready to be transplanted. Just open up the middle. What you want to do is dig it all the way down about 10 centimeters, which will be half of your planter, and get rid of your toothpicks and gently lower down your onions. Make sure some of the leaves are sticking out, and squeeze your soil around the roots, not from the top but around the roots, so that the root actually touches the soil. Continue the rest until the entire roots are covered nicely. Repeat with this as well. Now the watering. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you're going to try this at home. Let me know how your experiment went. If you enjoyed this video and you are still not subscribed to my channel, please do. Also like, share, comment, and hit the notification button to get updates on new videos that I'll be uploading in the future. Until I see you again, I am Will, and I am out.